3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
What's up, all my lions and lioness? This is the 2-Minute Drill. My name is Joseph Ruggiero, the Executive Director of Rouge Lion Digital Marketing, where we put pride in your business. We're starting on a new campaign for 2021. Per request of our viewers, Rouge Lion is implementing helpful facts and nuggets to our social media and YouTube missions. Our focus is to help business owners and entrepreneurs strengthen their digital marketing efforts. So here's how we do it. We set the clock up here to 2 minutes, and on your mark, get set, go. Who saw our social media post from
Hump Day?
Yes, follow us at Rouge Lion. 86% of consumers prefer email when communicating for business purposes. Is it outdated? Is it phasing out? Frick no. It's relationship-based, i.e. it's impeccable for growing your clientele and building your brand awareness, giving the opportunity to people to send out thousands of emails at the click of one button. Click of a button at ease. Next, it's cost effective. Plain and simple. What gives you the option of reaching thousands of people at zero cost besides social media? Unless you're a social media ads manager and you're paying thousands of dollars and millions of dollars and hundreds of dollars per day, per week, per month. It is a waste. Just grow organically. That's besides the point. If done strategically with email marketing, you can develop productive types of campaigns and achieve higher ROI. Profit alert, profit alert, profit alert. And email campaign data is so easy to friggin' analyze. Open rates, delivery rates, click-through rates, rates you can't think of, rates you've never heard of, all provide continuous improvement and analyzation opportunities for your email marketing campaign and your business. And lastly, it's mobile friendly. Viewing emails has never been easier. You pick up your phone and boom, it was that easy and easier for businesses to gain brand awareness and brand recognition. So, email will continue to be an outstanding digital marketing tool due to its effectiveness and efficiency. And boom, there's your 2 minutes. If you have any questions about email marketing, DM us for more. We'll cover it in a video or a vlog. Thank you guys very much for watching today. Check out our social media pages at Rouge Lion. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more pride in your business. Meowing time is over, people. It's time to roll.